Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Welcome to our company booth today. Please feel free to look at our brochures. You can leave your paper resume in this blue folder here. Please sign your name on the list before you start to talk. Our team members are happy to answer all of your questions. If you would like to apply for a job, please visit our website later this evening to submit your profile. Make sure you take a business card with you so that you can contact us if you need more information.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question.
Thank you for joining me today. Please think back to a time when you prepared a special meal, such as cooking for a family celebration, trying a new recipe for the first time, or baking something for a friend. What did you make, and why was that specific cooking experience memorable for you? People have very different approaches to food. Some people love to spend hours cooking elaborate meals, while others prefer quick and simple snacks. How do you usually handle cooking and food preparation in your daily life? Why do you think you have developed this specific habit? Now I would like your opinion. Some people argue that home-cooked meals are always better than eating at restaurants, regardless of the effort required. Do you agree with this view, or do you prefer the convenience and variety of dining out? Why? One last question. Do you think schools and workplaces should take an active role in promoting healthy eating habits? For instance, should they provide free cooking classes or mandate specific nutritious food options in their cafeterias? Why or why not?